What's up guys, report channel Carson here. We're back at it with another video. Today's video, I'm just gonna update you guys with the S2K because the S2K took a shit on me once again. Damn, this shit's choking me, dude. Alright, so yeah, let me go ahead and let you guys know. I want to fill y'all in with the S2K. So I actually put the S2K aside because it's actually, I put it aside for like a good week and a half. It's almost been 2 weeks that I put that bitch aside because like I said, I'm still dealing with all this other personal shit. I was like, you know what, 2K, I love you or not, but fuck you right now. I'm not gonna pay attention to you right now. But yeah, so I actually started looking into it now. Like, it's after what, 2 weeks that it started making this noise. So S2K started making this, like, it was like a metal knocking noise, right? I was like, holy fuck, I'm fucked, this shit got raw knock. Not really, it's not raw knock. It started making this metal knocking noise on the rear side, like where the wheel area is. So I was like, okay, it sounds like something got caught under. So yeah, I ended up jacking the car up. Why do I think so? I think so wrong, bro. So yeah, I jacked the car up, right, to check under to see if something probably got stuck. I didn't see anything that looked off. I ended up taking the wheel off as well. Everything looked normal. So I was like, okay, it's obviously something I can't physically see. So at first I thought it was the damn axle. I was like, okay, maybe the axle's out. But once I took the wheel off, I noticed something strange, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys a video right here. So when I actually put the wheel back on, I found something strange. And I think this is the fucking problem. I am pretty damn sure this is the problem. You see how the wheel has so much play? That's not normal. Both sides are like that. The passenger side and the driver's side, the rears, both of the rear wheel bearings are fucking shot. And that is fucking sketchy, because like literally I don't know how long they've been shot, as in like they blew out, because look, that is not normal. These aren't supposed to shake like that. There isn't supposed to be any kind of play whatsoever. Literally, I'm lucky I'm still alive. These shits could have flew off while I was driving in the freeway. Thankfully I didn't. But yeah, so I kind of found out. I was like, okay, it's my wheel bearings are out. I'm gonna have to replace the whole assembly, everything. And then I checked the other side, it was the same fucking shit. I was like, okay, so this is definitely gonna be what's making that nasty metal scratching noise. Alright, so let me go ahead and pick up some speed, because you could only hear at a certain speed. Ready? Do you guys hear that? God, you guys hear that shit? So yeah, that's pretty much it. If you guys think it's something else, let me know. I'm pretty damn certain it's just my rear wheel bearings. I hope it's just my rear wheel bearings, because that's not too much to fix. It would have saved me so much money if I didn't have to pay for the labor. But like I said, I don't have all the tools, and I literally don't have anywhere to work on this. I don't have anywhere to work on my car, so I'm gonna have to pay this guy. He always hooks it up, so I know he's gonna hook it up with a good deal. So yeah, I'm pretty damn certain it is just that. So I'll definitely update you guys. I'll do another video when it's back and running. Hopefully it's just that, like I said. But yeah, S2K should be back in a week or so. Yeah, let's hope a week. So like I said, I don't know when I'm gonna take it in, probably tomorrow or so. So yeah, the S2K should be back with me within a week. So hope you guys enjoy. Smash that like button, subscribe, post notifications on, do all that good stuff for your boy. It's been your boy Chino Carson, and we're signing out. Peace out.